One of the reasons a probate and trust administration takes longer to settle is because of all of the infighting going on between personal representatives and beneficiaries. You must choose the right executor or successor trustee in order to keep your family from stressing. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. Thanks for watching. In this program, we're talking about who should be your executor or your successor trustee. So if you're new here and you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. If you are married, who should be your executor or successor trustee is an easy decision, your spouse. If your spouse is no longer alive, often people choose their adult children, other family members, or perhaps a friend, and even in some cases, a professional fiduciary such as a bank. The most important factor here is that you choose very carefully. The personal representative you choose does not need any special training or any special education. What that person needs is to be honest, organized, prudent, and responsible. That person needs to be a leader. When you create your will or living trust, there is the opportunity for you to name your executor or your successor trustee. If there is no will, if there is no living trust, you miss the opportunity to name that successor trustee. Remember, the successor trustee and the executor's role is critical. They are charged with the responsibility of carrying out all of the wishes of your will and or your living trust. Once you have identified a legally viable candidate or candidates for the role of personal representative, let that person know that they have been, I should say, elected as your personal representative. Let that person know where to find your will and or your living trust. Make that person aware of all of your important assets. In addition to that, be sure to leave that person with combinations and passwords. Question of the day. Who did you name or who do you plan to name as your personal representative? Don't leave me the person's name in particular, but let me know if it's your spouse, if it's your child, if it's a relative or a friend, or perhaps a professional fiduciary such as a bank. Let me know in the comments below. Who should be your personal representative? In my opinion, it should be a person with integrity, a person with leadership skills, and a person that is respected by other family members. It's important to make this election as soon as possible because you never know when your time is up. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. Thanks again for watching Win-Win Realtors TV.